Yes, dear students, in today's session, we are going to discuss about character sketch of Johnsy, then Sue, and we'll also discuss about the question answers of the chapter. So let us discuss about Johnsy. How we see that Johnsy, she is a weak and a thin girl, and she with her friend Sue, she lives in a flat, and they are friends, they are artists, they are young artists, they are painters, and being weak we can say fails to cope up with the disease that she is struck with. She was suffering from pneumonia. She also becomes mentally weak, and as she continues to watch the falling leaves of an ivory creeper, which was on the front wall of their window, she also develops a strange fancy. She begins to believe that the moment the last leaf of the ivory creeper drops, she will also die. So it reveals that how she loses all hope of recovery. She stops taking interest in eating and dressing also. The idea of death gets so fixed in Johnson's mind that she stops paying attention to her friends' request to stop counting the fallen leaves. She becomes hard hearted and self centered too, and she forgets about all the love and affection of her friend. But the moment she realizes that the last leaf, painted by Behrman, unknown to her, will not fall, she becomes hopeful. She demands soup and a mirror to look at herself. She declares that she has realized that it is a sin to want to die. So we see how this girl, she has a transformation when she realizes her mistake, that how the desire to die was a wrong desire that she had developed, and she becomes hopeful in her life, and thus we see how there is a change in the attitude of Johnsy. Talking about Sue, we see that how Sue also plays an important role here, as she is an artist just like her friend Johnsy, and they share the flat, and they are friends also. And she, we can say, has the quality of a true friend. When Johnsy, she gets an attack of pneumonia, she nurses her, she loves her, and takes care also of her. So we see that how she is kind and noble at heart. She works also day and night to earn enough money, and with this money she wants to buy medicines and good diet for her friend. And she feels shocked when the doctor tells her that how Johnsy, she had lost the desire to live, and thus there were very less chances of her recovery. Johnsy had a fancy that she will die when the last leaf of the creeper falls, and Sue tries her best to cheer her up. And she talks of, we see that how different things, that is clothes, fashion, she also starts painting in her room. So, because she knew that she had developed a fancy which was really foolish and a baseless thing. And she tells Johnsy's fancy to old Behrman, and thus he comes to help Johnsy. He paints the last leaf on the wall and saves Johnsy there. So, thus we see that how Sue is a kind and noble girl, and she is a true friend to Johnsy. Right? Now, let us start with the question answer that we have. See the first question here. What is Chauncey's illness? What can cure her, the medicine or the willingness to live? So what we see here, that Chauncey, she was struck by pneumonia. So she was suffering from pneumonia, and her condition was actually getting worse day by day, because the illness, it was more psychological and less physical, because she had developed a misconception, a strange fancy, that she would die when the last leaf fell. And only a strong willpower actually can cure Jansi, because we see that how the medicines also had stopped bringing any results. So we can conclude that it was the willingness to live which was required more on part of Johnson's illness, because it was only this thing which could save her. And thus we see that the willingness to live could actually, a strong will power can actually cure her. Right, students? Next question is, do you think the feeling of depression John C. has is common among teenagers. So, to some extent, we see that how the mind of teenagers, it is very highly sensitive and imaginative also. And if any fancy takes place in their mind, it becomes very difficult to get them out of their mind. So, and along with that, the children of today, they also face cutthroat competition, right? So, thus, to some extent, the feeling of depression has become common among teenagers because of such kind of things in their life. So, we see that how it is a common thing that they are facing, and it becomes very important that the family, the friends, they should come and play their role here, because if the family is together and they are also strong willed, then they can help the children in coming out of that depression. So when we see the feeling of depression Johnsy has is very common among the teenagers, because how she develops a fancy and she starts living that fancy to be a real one. So, yes, we can say that the feeling of depression that Johnsy has is common among teenagers. Next is question number 3. Behrman has a dream. What is it? Does it come true? So, Behrman, he is a 60-year-old painter and he lives in the ground floor of the building. So, he has a dream. His dream is to paint a masterpiece. And yes, the dream comes true when he paints a leaf on the wall. Johnsy thinks it the last leaf on the ivy creeper, and this leaf saves Johnsy's life. So it did come true because this leaf became the lifesaver of Johnsy. Number 4, that is, what is Behrman's masterpiece? What makes Sue say so? So we see that how Behrman he painted a leaf on the wall, and the leaf it looked real one. And Johnsy, we can say yes, it was a masterpiece because Johnsy thinks that this leaf actually saved Johnsy's life. This leaf inspired her, and the willingness for life in Johnsy's mind actually started to develop. Johnsy started to get better, and that is why Sue call this painting to be the Behrman's masterpiece, because this leaf was the thing that has saved Johnsy's life. And we see that how Behrman he has sacrificed his life to save Johnsy. So dear students, this is all about the chapter. Do these questions in your notebook, and we'll meet in the next session with a new chapter. So have a nice day, students. Thank you all.